Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about safety and first aid methodology in our science class. Methodology, that means it is a system of methods and principles for doing something. In Hindi, कार्य प्रणाली. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about first aid, which are provided in various critical situations. We know accidents can happen anywhere, anytime, and with anyone. When someone meet with an accident, it causes pain and injuries to the body as a whole or on some parts of the body. Also, we know how accidents occur, how to reduce the possibilities of it occurrence, and basic rules to avoid accidents. The house, on roads, at the school, and during play in the प्लेग्राउंड. एक्सीडेंट कभी भी किसी भी क्षण किसी को हो सकता है और यहाँ हम फर्स्ट एड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. शायद फर्स्ट एड के बारे प्रीवियस क्लासेस में भी तुम लोगों ने सुना है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इट? फर्स्ट एड इन हिंदी प्राथमिक उपचार. We can say in short that first aid is the immediate help provided to the injured or victim. ये एक तुरंत का हेल्प है जो डॉक्टर को दिखलाने से पहले किया जाता है पेशेंट को. See carefully. If you have book, open your book, page number 52. Mainly in this chapter, you will be guided about safety from fire and some specific first aid measures. See here. Fire is useful in many ways if handled safely and carefully. There are many accidents due to the fire that can toll the life of many people every year. Following are the main cause of the accidents. फायर से किस तरह के एक्सीडेंट होते हैं हम यहाँ देखेंगे. Synthetic clothes catch fire easily. Wearing such clothes while working in the kitchen or working anywhere involving fire is risky. Always wear cotton cloths while working in the kitchen. नेक्स्ट, लीकेज ऑफ कुकिंग गैस में ऑल्सो कॉज फायर। तो आग से दुर्घटना कैसे होती है, इनके बारे में जानकारी यहाँ पर दी गई है। केयरलेस बर्निंग ऑफ फायर क्रैकर्स ऑन दिवाली और मैरिज में लीड टू ए मेजर फायर। नेक्स्ट, throwing lighted matchstick after burning stock may fall on paper or on cloths which may cause major fire. So, use lighter instead of matchsticks. I think there is no difficult to understand. Next, wires or other electric equipments may cause electric short circuits and result in big fire. हमें क्या करना है? Always be careful while using fire. Wear cotton cloths in kitchen. Put the matchstick up after use and before throwing. Keep a sufficient distance while lighting fire crackers. Have a check on wires or other electric equipments if they are old enough. Make sure to close the gas cylinders after every use to prevent it leakage. बहुत सारे ऐसे कारण हैं जिनसे आग से दुर्घटना हो सकती है, जो हमने यहाँ पर देखा है। और अब इस पैराग्राफ में, इन दिस पैराग्राफ वी हैव सीन, हम लोगों ने देखा है कि कैसे हम उससे बच सकते हैं। Even after all prevention, if fire occurs, you should try to put it off before it is uncontrollable. लेकिन इन सभी प्रिवेंशन के बावजूद भी यदि आग लग ही जाती है तब, और वो कंट्रोल से बाहर है, तब हमको और क्या क्या करना है। Children, in next video we shall see about it.